Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook story on your PC or laptop. So using a PC allows you to easily access and upload high quality photos and videos started on your computer. It also provides a larger screen and more precise controls for editing and adding text to your story. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to facebook.com. Now log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on the home page, look for the story section at the top of the screen. You see a plus icon under your profile picture. Click on this icon to start creating your story. You will be prompted to either create a photo story or a text story. If you have photos or videos on your PC that you want to share as a story, click on Photo Story. This will open a fun Explorer window. Navigate to the location where your media is stored. Select the photo or video you want to upload and click on Open. Your selected media will begin uploading to Facebook. The maximum file size for Facebook stories is 4 gigabytes and the length of your videos should not exceed 15 seconds. These are the limit sets by Meta for Facebook and Instagram stories. Once the media is uploaded, you can add text styles and choose their colors. Click on the text icon to add text to your story. You can move the text around, resize it, and customize the font and color to match your style. If you prefer to create a text story, click on Text Story instead. This option provides you with more room for text and allows you to choose from various background colors and styles. Simply type your message, customize the text and background as desired, and click share to post your story. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.